morning. Hello, everyone. Happy Sunday morning. My name is Tiffany Almeida, and I'm with Pretty in Paper Crafts. I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator, and I go live every Sunday morning at 8 a.m. Pacific time, and I play with really fun Stampin' Up! Product. That's my favorite part of the week, Sunday mornings, when I get to craft with you guys. Okay. This is today's projects. We have this beautiful purse that I made with the foils and 3 cards. Now I want to show you the foils. These are a new celebration item. They're free with a $50 purchase. It's a pack of 12 sheets, so there's 3 of each design. And you can see they're one-sided and they're copper foil paper. This one has copper and silver, so you can see the flowers. Very, very pretty paper. This one is just normal flowers, copper and silver. And then this one's all silver. Okay, so these are free with a $50 purchase. So when you place a $50 order on my online store, you can get this as your free celebration item. Okay, the other thing is Tags in Bloom, which I absolutely love. So this is the stamp set. So Tags in Bloom, this is another celebration item. This is free with a $100 purchase. And what I love about this stamp set is it coordinates with the 2 new punches that we have. Label Me Lovely and Label Me Pretty or something like that. I can't ever remember this one. But these are the 2 new punches in the mini catalog, and they coordinate with this stamp set. So I use them in our projects. So let me show you. So we have this beautiful purse. This purse is made with this designer series paper, and I colored in between the flowers in black. How cool is that? Looks so neat, right? And you can see the inside is just the inside of the paper, but it's just where I colored black. It's really, really cool looking. So I'm gonna show you how to make that purse. Then this one is a little bright rainbow card. I love where it says, I miss your face. This is my favorite sentiment. Sorry, I'm trying to read your comments. So very, very fun. And then I just cut a little flower out and did a rainbow flower. It's super easy, super cute. This one is, I absolutely love this one. I used Merriam Merlot ink and a sponge brayer, and I sponged the DSP. And I tried to do an ombre look, so I did dark in the bottom and light at the top. Super beautiful. And then I cut out some flowers and colored them and put them on there, but you can see the shine and glimmer of it. And then this one, I made it, I took that DSP, so the DSP in the back, I colored it. So it's this paper, and I colored it in. I colored the background, colored the flowers, and made it into this really pretty paper. And then I put a little tag and wrapped it like a bow, so it looks like a present. Now, I want you to notice one of the things that I really like about this stamp set are the sentiments are perfect for being social distancing, self-quarantine. And the reason is because we can send these cards to our friends, to our neighbors, to our family, and just tell them we're missing them, we're sending them a hug, you know, we're hoping that they're doing, you know, that they're doing well. So there's really good sentiments. Now, my thought is, and I'm going to challenge you guys to do something similar. My idea is that I'm going to I have a ton of cards that I've made, so I'm going to fill my purse, and this purse holds cards perfectly. I'm going to fill my purse with cards and hang it on my neighbor's doorstep. And I'm going to leave a little note that says, you know, wishing you the best, and give them my phone number in case they need me. But I'm also going to say this is the little gift so that you can send out cards to your loved ones, you know, while we're self-quarantine. So this is just I think this would be a really, really cute kind of leave on a doorstep kind of gift for your neighbor or for a friend. So that is my plan. I would challenge you guys to do something similar. This is an opportunity for us to reach out to people that maybe we normally wouldn't reach out to. And I think that making a handmade card to send to someone is a perfect thing to put a smile on people's faces and distract them from what's happening right now. Okay, so let's go ahead and make these projects. All right, so we're going to go ahead and make this beautiful rainbow card. This is so much fun. I took all of our primary rainbow colors. So I have Real Red, Pumpkin Pie, Daffodil Delight, Call Me Clover, Night of Navy, and Highland Heather. And then, of course, for all my mistakes, I have Color Lifter. All right, so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to start coloring these flowers, or these little, I don't know what they are, little designs. I see a flower anyway in each color. And so you'll just kind of have to figure out how big you want each section to be. Like if I wanted, I think that's all the red I want. And then I'm going to go with pumpkin pie. Oops, I went out of the lines. If I wasn't using the brush tip, if I was using the fine tip, I probably wouldn't go out of the lines as much. But my goal was, with each color, except for the corner ones, obviously, was to create a full flower. So this was like a full flower, right? On each color. And I think I'll do this one too. Okay, so then we'll go on to yellow. So I have Dark Daffodil Delight. And just coloring in. And I guess this one's going to be my full one. Yep. Okay. And then we're going to do Call Me Clover. And let's see, which one's going to be our full one for Call Me Clover? I think over here. Does that make sense what I'm doing? I hope it does. I'm trying to stay in the lines. But how fun and bright, and what a cute little card to send out. And again, therapeutic because I'm coloring the petals. It's a great thing to do. I mean, I remember as a kid, I used to love coloring, like get my crayons or my color pencils and just color and shade, and I would trace images, or I would look at a picture and I would copy it. I really actually enjoy coloring. I'm not good at it. I don't stay in the lines. I don't have a steady hand, but I really like it. All right, so I think this one has to be our full green one. Oops, I went out of the lines like crazy there. Okay. Blue's turn. So I'm using light Night of Navy because I felt like dark Night of Navy would be too dark. And rainbows are just so fun and cheery right now anyway. Oops, I'm really getting out of the lines. And I don't think blue is going to have a full flower. It's not going to work out in blue's favor here. So I do want to leave some room for purple down here. Okay, so then I'm gonna do this corner in Highland Heather. Oof, wow, my coloring has gone to the wayside. I am really going out of the lines now. Okay, so there's our background. Super, super fun. Let's see. Yes, you are back for me. Okay. I know. Okay, so my connection is just so bad. It does look really fuzzy. The quality is super bad. So it's just the internet. It's just gonna see if that helps. I don't know. I'm kind of getting to the point where I give up. All right. We're gonna stamp I Miss Your Face on a scrap of Whisper White. And we're going to punch it out with our label punch. Okay, now we're going to also take, I already cut out just a little flower from the DSP. We're going to color it, just gonna color the petals in one petal of each color. So one real red, one in Pumpkin Pie, one in Daffodil Delight, doesn't it make you same thing for me. I think of Highlander every time I see Highland Heather. I agree. Janie and her song lyrics. We just need like a Janie hour every day where she's singing to us or speaking to us in song lyrics. All right, so now I'm going to just trim out the centers of these flowers. Just making it thank goodness we don't have to do that for more than just one, right? The one time I keep the fussy cutting down to a minimum. So frustrating, these internet issues. And I'm paying for like Charter's like fastest speed. Go figure, huh? Okay, let's go ahead and put this cutie together. So what we're gonna do is put our glue down on the back of our rainbow piece. My daughter saw this card yesterday and she said, "Mom, can I send one to my friend?" I'm like, of course. The nice thing is that I can cut it all up and she can color. They can all color. They can all make a card for their friends. Let's see. So what I did was, and before I put this down, while you guys are wondering, like, what's your big problem? Before I put this down, I put little gems on the flowers that had the solid. So like, you know, solid there, solid here, solid here. And I wasn't able to do one for the blue. Oops. Left the adhesive behind on that one. So I was thinking of putting this one maybe right here. And then I can put a dimensional on the back of this. Right, let's see, right here. And I can put another one. This one has all kinds of bling going on. How fun is that? Super, super cute. I love it. So you can have a good fun, you know, a fun play with this card. Super cute. Yay. Thank you guys so much for watching and for putting up with my crappy internet. And you guys are amazing. Have a fabulous week and send some happy mail, okay? Thank a first responder. Love you guys. Stay safe. Bye-bye.